Today is a day, it is Ash Wednesday, where our holy month begins, our Lent begins. This month is going to be of penance, praise, forgiveness, and eyes. At the same time, it's Valentine's Day, a day for the people who love each other, to exhibit, to expose, to show. It may be a father, a mother, a couple, brother, sister. I wish each and every God a very happy Valentine's Day. Two wishes from Advocate Pratima Kutuli. Well said is that today, on this day, that is Ash Wednesday, when I am fasting, and at the same time, Valentine's Day, where I should be with my husband and my kids, I am forced to come here, stand before you all, and address this meeting. Justice delayed is justice denied, they say. And I believe in that. I came today with both the rape victims. Both the rape victims are with me here. The one who had to abort a 5 months baby, who had to commit, who was forced to abort a 5 months baby, the model, by that Subedar, alias Vicky. And there's another girl who is crying for justice. The boy, Lezio Fernandez, who's absconding. Thank God justice Makpak, whose baby she's carrying of 6 weeks. The other day I had gone to the assembly. I had been to the assembly with the victim. I met the Honorable CM of Goa. Dukta, खूप दुखा लागला. कित्याक? I went to the CM, Pramod Sawant ji. He really respected me, put me inside. Respect दिलो आमकां, आयकून घेतलें आनी ताणें सांगलें. जेन्ना हांवें ताका म्हणलें, होम डिपार्टमेंट इज अंडर यू. एक रेप करून प्रेग्नंट करून चेडवाक आयज जेन्ना सेशन कोर्टान ताजी बेल रिजेक्ट केल्या, तुज्या पुलिसां कडेन जाली 15 दीस कित्याक तो एक्यूज मेळना काय म्हणून, तेन्ना सीएम विचारूंक सोदता, क्या हुआ तेरा वादा? सीएम, क्या हुआ तेरा वादा? यू हैड प्रॉमिस्ड मी दैट आयच्या राती भितर म्हणटा प्रतिमा सोडून हाडटा म्हणून. But I will not blame CM here because it is not the CM. Some gadbad is in the home department which is going on. See, all are not bad, but 1-2 people are playing fun. Now you tell me, what police? 20 days passed. This criminal is absconding. एक रेपिस्ट रेप केला, ताची पोटान भुरगें आसा. सेशन कोर्टान ही मॅटर रिजेक्ट जाल्ली आसा. आनीक सांगता म्हाका विक्ट्री, आमची विक्ट्री कितें जाल्या ती. आय चॅलेंज दॅट Lezio Fernandez. Don't play with us, man. We have got evidence, we have got medical reports, we have got all the chats, we have got all the videos of yours, which we submitted in the session court. That's why your bail was rejected. You hired a very big lawyer, you went to the High Court yesterday, and the High Court also has rejected your interim bail yesterday. That's another feather to our cap. तुझी interim bail reject केले सर. Because समज काल interim bail मेळ्ळी जाल्यार खंय तरी इनजस्टीस जावपाचें चलयेचेर, कित्याक तो बाय ओपनली भोंवता आसलो. आतां 20th ऑर्डर आसा, आतां पळोवया 20th कितें जाता तें. पूण आतां IGPक मेळ्ळें. IGP Omnir Singh Bisnoy, Honorable respected IGP of Goa, Inspector General of Police, there is Omnir Singh Bisnoy का मेळ्ळें. Wherein he called Madam SP Sunita, who is another no-nonsense police officer, who has assured me, Bisnoy Bab, IGP of Goa, has assured me that he will see as soon as possible. He put all his police department on track, and he has told me that kaise bhi hone do, we will give justice to her. That Lezio Fernandez will be arrested. He will be arrested and he will be brought here behind the bars. As far as Vicky is concerned, let me tell you, his also bail got rejected. He had also hired a very big lawyer, but his bail got rejected, and now from Panjim police station jail, he has been shifted to Kolwale jail. And IGP has spoken to the jailer also and told that he should get very good VIP treatment. You all know what I'm saying? That he should be shown his place, because it's a very big crime. Getting friendly to somebody on the pretext of marriage, not telling this girl that you are already 2 times married, having kids, 5 kids, and then you get her pregnant, saying that you are marrying her, and then when she gets pregnant of 5 months, when the baby is fully formed, you are taking her and getting her aborted, that she would have been dead. So I told IGP, even the hospital and the doctor should be booked, because this thing should not be, this should not continue or repeat. I don't want to. What is this? Our grown girls. This is the justice we are getting. I told CM that day. I am calm and I am pleading to you for the safety and justice of grown girls. आणि यांका समज दोग जाणां खाता पळय हांव झगडटां म्हाज्यान जाता तितलें हांव झगडटालें. इनफॅक्ट आय एम रियली डावन विथ द प्रेशर बिकॉज too much of stress, but I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up and I will not give up till I win. My thing is that they have to get justice. Yes, I'm happy that both the bails have been rejected. Even the High Court interim bail has been rejected. But only thing is this fellow, where some influential people are supporting that Lezio Fernandez has to be booked, he has to be brought. And IGP and Madam Sunita both have assured me their full-time support and told me that Pratima, on Vishwas Rakho, we know that you are fighting for justice and we police also believe. And Sunita ma'am also said, no police will ever want to support any rapist who has committed such a crime. Thank you.
I just want to say, like, it's been 20 days, like 25th I gave an FIR and still the accused is not being caught. So I don't know what the police are doing. But since we met the IGP, I hope to get justice and he be caught soon.
IGP was said, he will give me justice and I believe on Pratima ma'am. So absolutely we will get him his position, and I really want he has to be in jail. I really don't want anything. His brother was, from someone who was requesting, he has to do some settlement and all. I really don't want any settlement. I just want justice. That's it. Because
I just want to say one more thing. I don't know where this video is, but wherever you are, I'm sure you're going to see this video. I just want to tell you, stop sending your band manager or your drummer to me saying that, you all want to settle, your mother wants to talk, or father wants to talk. If your mother and father wanted to talk, they should have called me directly and not through your band manager, your drummer, or your some music instrument. I'm not a music instrument where you just come and play and go. So I just want to tell you, I'm not ready for any settlement. I'm not ready for I don't want any money. You're putting fake allegations on me that I'm doing it for money. Let me tell you, I'm the only child of my parents and I have enough money. My parents have enough. And we have everything of our own. We don't want your money and we don't want anything. I will make sure I get justice and you go to jail for how many years, I really don't care. But I need justice because you are after me and I was not after you. I have everything to prove that. And I'm not going to do anything to the child, I'm going to keep it. Because I know it is yours. And you are hiding because you know the truth. By now, if you were true, you would have come and done the DNA or whatever. The reason you're hiding and telling lies to people and even your mother and father is the fact that you know that the DNA is going to match. And it is definitely going to match because you're the father.
Pratima, like this such woman, there are many people who are, you said on the phone that are contacting you. So what's happening in those fronts? Are the people come to you or are they gone to the police?
No, the thing is, they go to police and then they say that, त्यांका न्ही केल्लेच करतात म्हणून सिरियसनेस नसता म्हणून. See, I don't want to put allegations on police. Not all police are bad. But the problem is what, I think today the criminals are getting an upper hand. Criminal thinks that if they give some 1-2 legs, they can get away with anything. But I'm feeling sorry for the girls. See, if you fight for the justice, if you really give justice to the victims, then such things will not be repeated. And the criminals will not get an upper hand. A criminal भितर घालात, बडयात तेका, 3 years imprisonment दियात तेका कळटलें what is molestation. 7 वर्सां तेका भितर घाला कोणा रेप केल्यार कळटलें. तुमी म्हाका सांगा कितल्या जाणांनी कन्विक्ट केल्ले आसा. Till today there are, go to entire Goa police station and see how many rape cases are registered in molestations are there. But how many are convicted? This is not happening. हांव मागता, शायद IGP उत्तर दिला तरी CM कडेन मागता, आमकांय चेडवां आसात. आमी आमची चेडवां आमची भयण्यो म्हूण घेवचें आनी तांकां जस्टीस दिवपाक खंय तरी मुखार सरचें. सो दॅट इफ जस्टीस इज गिवन टू देम आनी द क्रिमिनल कन्विक्ट जाला जाल्यार दुसऱ्याचे चले आसा पळय, दे वील थिंक 10 times बिफोर कमिटींग सच अ क्रायम. अरे बाबा कोणाक रेप करपाक मोलेस्ट करपाक 10 फावटी इतलो तो भितर आसा एक एक्झाम्पल सेट जावपा जाय. म्हणून आतां हांवें सारकी मुखार घेतिल्लो आसा फुडाकार हो. नो टर्निंग बॅक. म्हाका कोणें कितेंय म्हणल्यार चलता, बट आय वील सी दॅट आय वील फायट फॉर माय बोर्न वुमन एंड टील दे गेट जस्टीस. थँक्यू.
Fatima, एक हे अशें आसता की you see in Saudi Arabia country, if there is some this incidents happen, they take the एकदम सारखे
It's not only Saudi. If you go to any, even Dubai, you go to Qatar, Dubai, Kuwait. You know, तांचे कितें म्हणटात ते punishment असता पळय. ते इतले हे असता न्हू आंगार कांटो येता. They are either chopped off, or they are either hanged off, or you know they are killed to death, stoned to death.
So
I think this thing penalty should be here in India. I think आमचे law change करपाक जाय when it comes to rape victims and murderers. So then you know examples will be set if they can do. तांकां जितान खावपाक जाता जितें अशें बांदून दवरतात, वा नागडे मारतात, वा तांकां थंय शॉट करतात, वा तांकां इन पब्लीक हँग करतात. तशी समज सजा हांगा जाली न्ही तर म्हाका दिसता आनी हे म्हणटात ते असले क्रायम्सूच जावचे ना. सो आमी डिमांड करता की खंय तरी असले इम्प्लिमेंट जावपाक जाय म्हणलो. आय थिंक आर इंडियन लॉ इज टू सॉफ्ट फॉर सच क्रिमिनल्स. दॅट्स वाय क्रायम्स आर इन्क्रीजिंग डे बाय डे. गर्ल्स आर गेटिंग रेप्ड.
आता सध्या इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन तुमकां जाय तशें चलता की ना इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन?
आतां पळय दीस तो मेळुना. सीएमानी उतर दिल्लें, सीएमान उतर ताजे पावना. सो हांव IGP कडेन आयलें बिकॉज ही इज द इन्स्पेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलीस. आनी ताकाय बरे भशेन सांगलें IGP really respected man. First he told us 3 women you all have to drink water, relax, don't panic, relax. And then आमकां समजून घेतलें आनी ताणें कितें करपाचें आसा पळय ताणें एक फोनार केलां. I don't want to give those details because if I give the details now, then these criminals will come to know and they will be more alert. I don't want to give any inputs. I don't want to give any leads. But IGP has already started his job for his check.
ओके. सो तो आसा तो सपोज तेंचे कडेन लग्न जाता या काजार जाता जाल्यार शी विल मॅरी हिम.
She just told all that she is not going to abort the child. She is the only daughter coming from a very good family. Okay, but she says it's a sin. And today being a Ash Wednesday, असल्या दुखाच्या काळात आमच्या क्रिस्तावाच्या काळात त्याने असले उतर म्हणला की आय एम नॉट गोना अबॉर्ट, विच मीन्स दॅट शी इज नॉट गोना कमिट अ सिन. त्याने मोग केल्लो. आयज लोक ताका पॉइंट आउट करता, आयज लोक चलेक पॉइंट आउट करता आनी चल्याक कांय म्हणना. आयज वायट दिसता की ताणें सांगला वी आर नॉट गॉड्स, वी आर ह्युमन्स, वी कमिट मिस्टेक सगळ्या कडेन जाता. ताची चूक इतलीच जाली की ते चड मोगान पडलें आनी शी गेव अ सेल्फ टू हिम वेन ही सेड आय एम गोना मॅरी यू. आनी आयज तासान पडला पूण शी इज नॉट गिविंग अप. She's fighting for a justice. She's telling the whole entire world that yes, I'm expecting and I'm not going to kill my child. But she said, I want Lazio to be behind bars so that he knows that he has committed a crime, a biggest mistake, that he has to face the music.
थँक्यू.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.